Beauty health trends and tips. I'm Lena Kwan, and you're watching Beauty Now. On-the-go sleeping mask. Have you heard of mewing? Get beanie with it. Wherever you go, you have to be ready with skin that is super moisturized when temperatures drop. That's right. This is the new It sleeping mask, Falba's White Truffle Sleeping Pack. Individually wrapped, this gel cream mask goes on last at night. It hydrates, balances, nourishes, and even strengthens your skin barrier. Call it the all-in-one package deal. Have you heard of mewing? That's right, the craze continues right here in Korea too. It's named after the UK orthodontist who started this hype. Supporters believe that over time, your tongue position will change your overall facial features, most notably the jawline. Does it work? You tell us. To properly mew, you must relax your tongue and make sure it's entirely against the roof of your mouth when it's shut, instead of your tongue resting on the bottom or against your teeth. Here's a must-have item for winter fashion, a beanie. Can you put in the computer graphics? Thank you. Korean celebs are buying them and looking fabulous. Not just in the wintertime either. Beanies can dress up your look no matter what season it is or what occasion it is. But in the colder season, they're great for keeping you warm, while it also gives any outfit a bit of a cool edge. What's trending now? Probiotics in skincare. Yes, it's great for your gut and internal health, but we're going to tell you why it's great for your skin. Microbes promote skin health. They reinforce your skin's natural barrier against pollutants and bad bacteria, and they also balance your skin's pH levels. But use of harsh facial cleanser and antibacterial soap strip your skin of bad and good skin bacteria. What happens then? Your skin gets ultra sensitive, breaks out, dries out, and gets stressed. And who needs that added stress in your life? Not me. Now this is where probiotics swoop in to save the day. Probiotics are similar to your body's natural defenses, good bacteria. The good little bacteria kicks up bad bacteria's butt, prevents premature aging, and helps soothe inflammation. The major fashion magazines have reviewed this key ingredient and declared that probiotic skincare is worth it. Good tip, your must-know, don't want to miss kind of tip, and today's tip is, ding, cleaning puffs. That's right. We talked about cleaning your makeup brushes, but even more important thing when it comes to cleaning beauty tools, the puffs of your cushion compacts that you use every single day. Let's be honest. Kind of dirty, right? Have you ever heard of the Tool Lab? It's great K-beauty label that has makeup tools, including cleansers. They've been promoting cleansing pads for your puffs, but how about we tell you some creative DIYs? Do it yourself. Before that, I want to warn you, cushion compact puffs are notoriously hard to clean, so don't be so hard on yourself. Give yourself some time. All right, here we go. Good tip. All right, here's what you need. Kleenex, a sealable plastic baggie, cleansing water or face cleanser, depending on what you have on your counter, and a faucet for easy water access. The first step, lay out tissue or Kleenex and press out the excess product in your puff. And step 2, fill your baggie with the used puffs, then with cleansing water or water and face cleanser. Now remember, do not use laundry or dish detergent. That sounds disgusting for your skin, right? Step 3, squeeze clean the puffs in the baggie, then dump out used water and rinse the puffs. Repeat step 3 until you feel confident enough that you've cleaned the puffs enough. Thorough, the better. Step 4, remember to air dry, but not in direct sunlight. Did you notice anything different behind me? Maybe a cabinet filled with all the goodies? Well, if you haven't finished your holiday shopping just yet, these are the kits put together by Korea's finest beauty brands. And that brings us to the end. Beauty health trends and tips, get it all here on Beauty Now. See you next week. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye, everyone.